Hey guys, welcome to a little corner of the world where I talk about legitimate ways to make money from home, save, and invest. My name is Whitney Bonds and I'm the creator of the website Tried and True Mom Jobs. Now in this video today, I want to share this great opportunity with all the bakers out there who are looking to make some extra money. Now have you guys seen this viral trend that's taken over TikTok with these hot chocolate bombs? Now if you haven't seen, I'm going to show you a quick video right now to show you what these are. So basically what they are is that there are these hot chocolate spheres that are filled with mini marshmallows and cocoa mix. So you put the hot chocolate orb into an empty mug and pour hot milk on top of it until the chocolate begins to melt. Now when the chocolate shell begins to melt into the milk, the marshmallows flow up to the top, and after a quick stir, it is the best hot chocolate that you have ever had. Now since this has gone crazy viral over TikTok, the Today Show has now shown this and everybody wants this. And there's so much demand out there and not enough supply. Now this is a great viral way that you want to make sure that you guys are taking advantage of. Now I saw someone post a video of their hot chocolate bomb on Facebook and the comments were crazy. The comments were saying things like I need to know how to order these. These are awesome. I would be interested in ordering some. Oh my gosh, I want these. Let me know when they're available. Wow, these look amazing. I definitely would like some. And just on and on, people were just raving over how they want these and they didn't know where to get them. Now I'm going to put the recipe in the description below so you guys can follow along and make these yourself. I also have a video from Glue Sticks that I will put at the end of this video to show you guys how to make them. Now I would love to take advantage of this opportunity, but I cannot bake to save my life. So I want to share with you guys because someone can profit off of this opportunity. So I saw that there was this Etsy shop that was selling these, but I think they had so many orders that they actually had to close their shop down. And they were charging $36 for only 6 hot chocolate bombs. And by looking at the recipe, I think it only costs maybe like $10 to make 12 of them. So this is a great way where you can make $30 just by making 6 of them. And to make the most of your money, you can also do minimum orders. So to say something like you can only order a minimum of 4 so you can make sure that you're going to get your money's worth because these do take a little bit of time to make. I also heard that Costco is now selling these. But I don't have a Costco membership and so do thousands of other people who don't have Costco memberships. So make sure that you guys are riding this wave and don't let that discourage you. Make these hot chocolate bombs and make some money. This for me, I would do a video of me making these, and I also would do a video just like I showed you guys earlier, the hot chocolate bomb exploding when you put the hot milk over it. It's just a great satisfying thing to watch, and it's something that will make you want it. And I'll post this to my social media networks, and I would do something like I saw someone else do where they were giving a giveaway, where they said to share this post to be entered to win a free one of your choice. So this is a very effective marketing strategy when you're trying to get your products out there and to get as many eyes on this as you can to make sure that you're riding this viral wave. This was just an opportunity that I saw that I wanted to make sure that I share with you guys to make sure that you're taking advantage of this viral wave. Now if you're looking for more ways to make money from home, definitely check out my video I did on 15 side hustles that can earn you an extra $1,000 per month or more, a lot more. Now as promised, here's the video on how you can make these. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this video. Make sure you check out the recipe below from Glue Sticks, who also did this video on how to make these. Alright, have a great day guys. Thank you.